small and medium tank 9. We have America now growing trade with Europe and also ASEAN, wars, instability, huge cost of flights. But why not invest in the policy of investing ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency? Most ships go through Panama Canal. Caribbean supply of petrol is growing, and Europe needs quite a lot of these cargoes. So why not invest in tank America crew? Panama, Marshall, Liberia, Bahama, Bermuda, all these flags allow most of the American suppliers of officers. And today is the time to invest in these mid and small tank ships. Why? Because we have Peru experienced, Panama very experienced supply ships, bunker ships around Panama. Venezuela has tank history, and we have ratings from Honduras, Guatemala, El Salvador, even some ship owners not requiring US visa, because Europe to America trades not always need US visa. Some ship owners also have Cuba officers, because these flags too have endorsements for those available. So think about Candina to supply solutions today, because many ship owners need to change these policies, and the small and medium tank fleet could really appreciate fresh blood of American officers and ratings. Thank you. Bye.